This is about energy. The energy to think like a startup. The energy that led us to invent the first factory-integrated backhoe loader. Now, we're introducing a machine that runs on a new kind of energy, born from the same energy that's driven us all along. The new Case 580 EV, the world's first purpose-built electric backhoe loader. Zero on-site emissions, quiet operation, yet comparable in performance to our industry-leading lineup of traditional machines. It's built to open doors to new projects in new environments, in noise-sensitive areas, and on contracts that specify the use of alternative fuel machines. We are ingenuity-obsessed to deliver machines that help our customers win, diesel and electric. It's what all our energy goes into. Try one. Visit kce.com. Case. No one will outwork us.